If I will go down, it will not just be me.
I will not be alone.
Oo. So, that is a threat. In politics, that is a signal to those listening na ingat kayo sa akin. So, sir, kung nakikinig ka, alam ko minsan hindi mo naman gusto ang SMNI,
Hindi ka rin naman nila gusto.
sila yan,
Pero nakabantay.
pumunta kayo sa Lunes. Pakita nyo leadership nyo. Galing naman kayo dun sa institusyon na yon. Ayusin nyo yung first impeachment na maling-mali. Alam nyo kung paano nagsimula ang pagsira kay Vice Presidente Duterte. At yan ay nagmula sa House of Representatives in 2023. So, kung gusto nyong maayos ito, at pagod na ang taong bayan, kasi hindi namin maintindihan, sino ba talaga sa inyong mastermind? No? Do it within the institution. Do it with your colleagues. Let's have that, bloodbath in the House. It's about time. Kasi kung hindi niyo yan sasagutin, abay magkakaroon na tayo ng SONA. Sasabihin na naman ho nyo, may flood control. Umuulan na ho yun. Paano kami? Kami yung kinakalimutan nyo, yung taong bayan. So, ako, I appeal to your love of country. I know that is a hard word for you. That's also a hard word for me to say. But I appeal to your decency. I know that is hard for me to say. But please show up and tell the public where you are in this issue.